Peppa Pig, my mummy is amazing. And if you'd like to buy this book, check the link description down below. Peppa and her friends were at Playgroup. It's a special day, children, said Madame Gazelle. Today we are going to celebrate our mummies. Hooray! Everyone cheered. We want to make every mummy feel very special, said Madame Gazelle. My mummy is very special, said Peppa. And mine, so is mine, and mine. Madame Gazelle, said Peppa, how do we celebrate our mummies? That's a very good question, Peppa, said Madame Gazelle. Shall we start by thinking about what mummies like? Danny Dog jumped up. My mummy likes DIY, he said. DIY means do it yourself. She painted my whole bedroom and even put up stars. What an amazing mummy you have, Danny, said Madame Gazelle. Our mummy likes fighting fires, said Emily and Edmund Elephant together. My mummy likes going shopping, said Mandy Mouse. My shop is her favourite. My mummy likes being a doctor, said Penny Polar Bear. And my other mummy likes yummy spaghetti. My mummy likes making things, said Zoe Zebra. She even made a little me out of clay. My mummy likes vegetables, said Candy Cat. She puts them on her eyes. My mummy likes dancing, said Pedro Pony. Twirling about. She dances everywhere. My mummy likes building rockets for astronauts to zoom into space, said Susie Sheep. Are we nearly there yet, Mummy? My mummy likes planning out our days together, said Freddie Fox. First I'll have a quiet nap and then we'll tidy the house. My mummy likes shooting hoops with me, said Gerald Giraffe. That means throwing a basketball in the net. My mummy likes kicking a ball with me, said Molly Mole. It's fun passing it back and forth all day long. My mummy likes keeping calm, said Rebecca Rabbit, at all times. My mummy loves playing dens, said Peppa. She built a special one all by herself. Our mummy likes it when we do nice things for her, said Pandora Panda. Especially when you don't wake her up in the morning, said Peggy Panda. What amazing mummies, children, said Madame Gazelle. They all like lots of very different things. Now I'd like you all to draw a picture for your mummies. All mummies like a picture to put up on the wall, or the fridge, or the... Madame Gazelle, said Rebecca. My mummy says there aren't enough walls or fridges in the whole world for all the art I make. That's okay, Rebecca, said Madame Gazelle. I'm sure she'll find some room for this one. Madame Gazelle told the children that all their mummies were invited to Playgroup for the afternoon. We are going to perform a Mummies Are Amazing show. Ooh, said the children, amazing! But don't worry if your mummy can't come today, said Madame Gazelle. My mummy won't be here, but I will still be thinking of how amazing she is. Just then, the mummies arrived. Mummy Pig was with Granny Pig. Granny, said Peppa. You're not my mummy, you're my granny. Granny Pig is my mummy, Peppa, said Mummy Pig. Oh yes, said Peppa. Grannies are mummies too. Welcome to the Mummies Day, Granny. Thank you, Peppa, said Granny Pig. While Peppa and her friends got ready to perform the show, Madame Gazelle welcomed all the mummies to Playgroup. Today we are celebrating all mummies everywhere, she said. We have learned that every mummy likes different things, but they are all amazing. Hooray! Cheered all the children. Let the show begin, said Madame Gazelle. My mummy is amazing because she makes me carrot soup. My mummy is amazing because she has shiny shoes. My mummy is amazing because she digs holes with me. My mummy is amazing because, she's amazing. My mummy are amazing because they read me bedtime stories. And my mummy is the best because she is my mummy. After everyone had finished saying why their mummies were amazing, Madame Gazelle got out her guitar. The children sang a very special song. Come on everyone, it's time to sing. We love our mummies, they're amazing. At the end of the show, the mummies and grannies were so happy they clapped and cheered very loudly. Madam Gazelle, said Peppa, I know all the mummies are different and they like different things, but there is one thing that all our mummies like. Is there, Peppa? Replied Madam Gazelle. What's that? Us, cheered Peppa, and a good night's sleep, added Mummy. All the mummies love their amazing children, and all the children love their amazing mummies. The end.